going to come to your orphanage?
Yeah, what do you want? Ma'am, was you working here 11 years ago?
Yeah. Well, we had terrible troubles with him. We hope we will make it on the front stoop.
You're Annie's parents? I can't believe this. Where did you say you come from again?
Oh, a little farm in Canada. We got lots of chickens and ducks and geese and rooster. Gotcha, sis.
Rooster, I never would have known it was you in 100 years.
Fooled you, Aggie. And we're going to pull more bucks, too.
Get ourselves 50,000 big ones.
But we need your help. For details on Annie that can help us pull this thing off.
Yeah, what's in it for me?
3-way stool.
Half. Half? Half.
Okay, 25 grand each. But we gotta go fast. Get the money, get the girl, and get out.
The kid's the problem. What are we going to do with their afterwards?
Don't worry. When I want something to disappear, it disappears. For good. You get the 50 grand, we blow this crummy town, and Little Me'll meet you.